This video I am sharing with you for downloading the app for MySQL. By using this video, we will use this link. That is the easy way to download. This link I am sharing with you in my description. Two links I am giving. Link 1 that is having a zip file, and the link 2 that is having a .exe file for MySQL. And you can those who are not having zip app, you can download the second link directly. You can copy the link from there, or you can click on the link from there and copy it and paste in any browser. When you will click on it, press enter, this kind of window will open, and you can download this from this download option. You can't sign in, don't sign in anywhere, just go there and click download over there. From here the file will download here like this. You can, I have already have, so you can go over there. So when after downloading, click on this app, the processing will start. The main purpose is how to configure this. The main thing is that is you can do the typical next install. After processing, it's going on. It will take little bit time. So you will press yes. If he will ask you, next, again next, finish. Now from here, that is the main important thing is will start. This configuration first section. Next we'll click on developer machine, that is already being selected. Then multifunctional database, that is already being selected. Here the same, all the thing, you will not change anything. Here decision support, same. Next, both you can select. Here no need to change. Here you will change, that is include bin directory in window path. You press over here and then click on next. This configuration, if you want to change, give the password, then you will do this. Rather you do no need to do any change, and you will uncheck this modify security settings and then click here execute. After execution, some problem will be there. Hopefully I have to give the password. Some enable root access. Next, execute. If this process will not work in your system, then you can go again and all programs, and then again configure MySQL, and then configuration window, instance, yes, next, 2 3 4 5. I have given this password 5 1 2 3 4 5. Now it working. So sometime error will come. In that case you can do this option which I have told you. It will take little bit time. Now you can click on finish. There are a lot of options that you can do. Now you can open MySQL and then press enter. It will now start. You can start working with databases. Okay, this is all for now. Now you can use by using this link you can go ahead. Thank you for this.